Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. We will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, consider the following statements regarding fringing reef. First, fringing reefs are coralline platforms lying close to the shore, extending outwards from the mainland. Second, they are sometimes separated from the shore by a shallow lagoon. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you can just pause this video and write down your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, a fringing reef is a coralline platform lying close to the shore, extending outwards from the mainland. Hence, statement number 1 is correct. While it is sometimes separated from the shore by a shallow lagoon, hence, statement number 2 is also correct. So, you should know the types of reefs, fringing reef, and other reefs also, and what is the difference between that types of reef. So, this was all about question number first. Now, let us discuss question number second. Recently, National Crisis Management Committee was in the news. It is headed by option A, Prime Minister, B, Union Home Minister, C, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, option D, Cabinet Secretary. So, the correct answer of this question is option D, Cabinet Secretary. So, the National Crisis Management Committee functions under the Ministry of Home Affairs. So you should know which committee is under which ministry. So this ministry and department theme is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should give focus to ministries and departments. So this is UPSC's favorite topic. That's why you should prepare this topic holistically. So let us discuss question number 3. Consider the following statements. First, counter plowing. Second, strip cropping. Third, shelter belts. Fourth, cover cropping. Fifth, mixed farming. So, which of the above mentioned methods can act as a remedy to reduce soil erosion? First, 1, 2, 4 and 5 only. Option B, 1, 3 and 4 only. Option C, 2, 3 and 5 only. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can just write down your answer in the comment section. I'll tell you the correct answer of this question is option D, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So all these are methods that can act as a remedy to reduce soil erosion. So you should know the meaning of soil erosion and what are the methods that can act as a remedy to reduce soil erosion. And you should have a knowledge about counter plowing, strip cropping, shelter belts, cover cropping, and mixed farming. So this topic and these methods can also be asked in UPSC mains examination. So you can quote these methods in mains examination also. And if you have geography optional, then you must have knowledge about these methods to reduce soil erosion. So let us now discuss question number 4. The Forest Policy 1988 aims at first, bringing 25% of the geographical area under forest cover. Second, conserving the natural heritage of the country, its biological diversity and genetic pool. Third, increasing the forest cover through social forestry and afforestation on degraded land. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer of this question is option B 2 and 3 only. So according to the new forest policy 1988, bringing 33% of the geographical areas under forest cover, hence statement 1 is not correct, while about statement second, conserving the natural heritage of the country, its biological diversity and genetic pool, so hence statement number second is correct. And about statement number third, increasing the forest cover through social forestry and afforestation on degraded land, hence statement number 3 is correct. So you should know the different forest policies, like forest policy 1988, and there is one famous policy of 1927 and also 2006, that policy related to tribals. So you should cover that policy as well. So these policies and important acts, environmental acts, so these are very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So this was all about question number 4. Let us now discuss question number 5. Consider the following statements between Consider the following differences between P waves and S waves. First, S waves travel much faster than P waves. Second, unlike P waves, the S waves can travel through gaseous, liquid, and solid materials. So, which of the statements given above is or are not correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So, you have to tell the not correct answer. So, the answer of this question is option C both 1 and 2. So, you have to read the question with full focus. So in question, not correct is asked. So both these statements are not correct. You should know what P wave is and what is S wave. P wave is secondary wave, S wave is P wave is primary wave and S wave is secondary wave. You should know which wave is faster. So likewise you can read about P waves and S waves, which wave can travel through gaseous, liquid and solid materials. You can get knowledge about both these waves. So this is all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.